1 year ago we had the first assessment, and we diagnosed severe dental problems. So at this stage we thought the pulp cavity was open and infected, but it was almost dry, and at this stage we thought we can treat the wound in this way that we can keep the tusk in. But it turned out that within this year the situation got worse and worse. So the new thing is that normally these heavy surgery is performed in lateral recumbency in full anesthesia, which is very risky. We have no heavy gear here to maneuver the elephant to bring it on the right side, and we did a lot of procedures in standing sedation so far. We hope that our plan will 100% fulfill tonight, and we will end up get the task out and give her a big relief and a good quality of life afterwards.